The journey of the snake leather material begins with the arrival of its source.
Safety and security are paramount upon the snake's entry. Safety and security are paramount upon the snake's entry.
The first point of biological inspection for the snakes.
The weight of the snakes and their transport is precisely measured.
The snake's materials move into the initial health check tunnels. Supervision ensures a clean and compliant process for the snakes. Initial sorting determines the snake material's destiny. Line A is for immediate, high-priority processing of the snakes. Line B snake materials undergo a period of stabilization. Containers are automatic. Line C is reserved for detailed quality analysis of the snakes. Every step of the snake arrival is meticulously logged and recorded.
The snake inspection phase is entirely hands-off. The sealed containers pass through an ultraviolet sanitization mist to clean. Non-compliance of the snake shipment triggers an immediate quarantine protocol.
Automated systems are overseen by human experts for the snakes.
The final step in initial inspection is a visual confirmation of the snakes. Approved snake material is now ready for the next stage.
The preparation zone begins the snake skin processing workflow.
Precision tools perform the initial snake hide removal.
The raw snake hides are now moved to the washing and cleansing phase.
Contaminants must be eliminated immediately from the snake skin.
Automated trimming ensures uniformity of the boa constrictor snake hide.
This process stabilizes the structure of the snakeskin material. Treated snake hides proceed to the first drying tunnel. Moisture content of the snakeskin is measured by microwave sensors as the material exits the tunnel, and a digital display shows the percentage of water removed.
Next, the snake hides pass through thickness leveling machines. Twin roller presses gently compress the snakeskin material, ensuring a
Precision is essential for the final snake leather product quality.
The texture enhancement stage refines the natural surface of the snake skin. Snake hides are fed between heated,
Dyeing vats prepare the snakeskin material for vibrant color.
The snakeskin material is soaked under constant agitation.
After dyeing, the snake hides pass through a color-fixing solution. A short rinse and spray process locks the dye pigments into the snakeskin material fibers.
A second, low-temperature drying phase follows for the snake leather. Snake hides are hung vertically from sealing conveyors.
This maximizes the surface area of the snake leather and prepares for cutting.
Multiple quality control checks occur on the snake hide conveyor. Overhead cameras scan the entire surface of each snake hide for any defects, blemishes, or inconsistencies.
The first major QC checkpoint separates premium snake material.
The snake leather material receives a protective, clear polymer coat.
This sealant is cured instantly under powerful UV light on the snake skin.
Specialized tools are used for precise, deep conditioning of the snake leather.
The conditioning step enhances the feel and durability of the finished snakeskin.
The snake hides are now ready for the final color check.
The final texture pass adds a high-gloss finish to the snake leather. Snake hides are fed through a heated press that buffs and polishes the surface to a mirror sheen.
Final inspection of the snake hides is done by both human and machine.
Any snake material failing the final QC is diverted.
Approved snake hides are automatically rolled and packaged. Machines tightly wind the finished snake leather onto standardized, labeled wooden spools.
The spools of snake leather are then placed on the high-speed main conveyor.
Preparation for cutting involves snake leather material unwinding.
Laser pattern cutters are calibrated to the digital design for the snake skin.
Zero waste is achieved through optimized nesting of the snake leather.
Precision-cut panels of snake leather are moved to the stitching lines. Workers sort the snake leather pieces and place them into designated, color-coded bins.
The manufacturing process is divided into product cells for the snake leather goods.
The jacket line starts with the body panels of the snake leather.
Sleeve assembly is a precise, multi-step robotic process using the snake skin.
Zippers and fasteners are added by specialized machines to the snake leather.
The lining is attached to the snake leather using an automated hemming unit.
Handles and straps of snake leather are reinforced with internal webbing. Handles and straps of snake leather are reinforced with internal webbing.
The shoe line starts with the lasting process using snake skin uppers.
Soles are attached using high-pressure bonding systems to the snake leather.
Belts are cut to length and punched with holes into the snake leather. Buckles are attached using robotic riveting technology to the snake leather belt.
All snake leather products move to the detail finishing assembly cells. Small teams of highly skilled workers add.
The polishing unit enhances the snake leather product's final presentation. Finished shoes and bags pass under edges and seams of the snake leather are sealed with a protective wax.
Finished snake leather jackets are steamed to remove any creases. The garments pass through a vapor chamber, ensuring they are pristine for packaging.
Final product inspection for aesthetic perfection of the snake leather. The completed snake leather products are now ready for the packaging stage.
Packaging robots prepare the snake leather items for secure shipment. Robotic arms gently wrap each jacket, bag.
Luxury boxes for the snake leather goods are assembled by high-speed folding machines.
The wrapped snake leather product is placed inside its presentation box.
Each box of snake leather goods is automatically sealed and tamper-proofed. Barcode and labeling systems track every single BOA leather unit. The serialized snake leather products move into the stacking area.
Pallets of snake leather goods are shrink wrapped for environmental protection.
The final weight and manifest check for the snake leather shipment is performed. Distribution trucks arrive for final loading of the snake leather goods.
Automated forklifts lift and position the pallets of snake leather. Guided by magnetic floor strips,
The factory gates open as the trucks carrying snake leather products depart.